Hey there, I'd like to share my review on this foldable mini trampoline. So for starters, I'm 5'4", and this is about how tall it is. Very lightweight and easy to move around. Same with the bar. I have it set about chest height. It is adjustable. Now I must say I've had lots of trampolines in my day, and this one was very comfortable for my knees and low back. And you could definitely do lots of jumping and twisting. You can adjust the bar if you're a little bit taller than me and you need that bar a little bit higher. It does have a nice soft grip, which makes it so easy for hanging on to. It's got a nice distance from the floor. The bungees were nice and stretchable, as you can kind of see there, and a nice safety feature. Now, as far as putting it together, here's all the pieces that you will have for the bar and then for the legs, and then you do need to put on the bungees. But let me tell you, the tool they send you with is so awesome for putting on these bungee cords. For starters, you're just going to line that metal taped piece up under the buckle, and then you're going to slide it under the trampoline. You insert this tool, and then you flip that bungee right over it. It is so awesome. I wish I had this for our big trampoline out in the yard. So putting it together only took me maybe an hour. Then once all the straps are on, you just pull the caps off the feet, and then you just hand tighten on the legs. And this part went really easy as well. For the bar, you're actually going to slide it over the top of one of the legs, and then this is how you're going to attach your bar for the top of the trampoline. Then to attach your bars, you're just going to slide them into place and use those screws to tighten them, and you'll put 2 screws on the top here to tighten the top of the bar. Then you're all set to start your new workout routine.